Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous lecture we have just finished the chapter number 5, that was acid, base and salts, and I have told you to do in homework the exercise objectives. Okay students, so first of all just I am giving the answers of exercise and then after we will start a new chapter. So the question 1 is MCQ. So in that, which of the following is not an organic acid? The organic acid are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid are organic acid. So the first answer is D, lactic acid. First is D, lactic acid. Second, which one of the following is a corrosive acid? So the most corrosive acid, that is nitric acid, that is HNO3. Second, that is C, nitric acid. Nitric acid. Going towards third one, that is which of the following is not a base? So litmus is base, vinegar is also, which one of the following is a base? Litmus paper, it is a neutral, vinegar, it is acidic, water is also a neutral, so remains sodium hydroxide, that is A, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Fourth one, that is which one of the following is a neutral substance? Water, sugar, common salt. In that fourth one it will come D, all of them. Fifth, which one of the following is not used as indicator? Litmus is used as indicator, hydrochloric acid, phenolphthalein, methylolene. Then come hydrochloric acid. Fifth one, that is B, hydrochloric acid. Sixth one and the last, that is which of the following is used for cleaning water? That is potash Lu. Sixth one, that is B, potash Lu. Okay students, next, that is fill in the blanks. Let us see it one by one. So question B or question 2, that is fill in the blanks, FB. Okay students, and the first one is acetic acid, formic acid and tetric acid are called dash mineral acids or organic. So in that it will come organic acid. First one is organic acid. Second one, dash are sour test, dash are sour in testes, that is acids. Acids are sour in testes. Third one, the chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Okay students. Fourth one, when you use phenolphthalein as indicator, it gives the color dash for bases pink. Pink for bases. Another one, that is fifth one, litmus is used as dash indicator or detergent, then it will come indicator. Sixth one, that is dash salts is formed when a weak acid reacts with strong acid. When weak acid is react with strong Sorry students, here I think there is a mistake. Weak acid with reacts with strong base, not acid. So it will form basic salt. Basic salt. Here there is a mistake in your question students. I am repeating it. Dash salt is formed when weak acid reacts with strong base, not acid. Strong base. Okay students. Now going towards question number C, that is true or false. Question number 3, that is true or false. So, nitric acid is also called the king of chemicals. No, it is not called the king of chemicals. So, first will be false. Second one, universal indicator is a mixture of indicator, true or false. Then it will be true. Acid with pH 1 is the weakest acid. No, it is the strongest acid. So, third one also false. Moving towards fourth one, that is hydrated salts is one of that has loss is water of crystallization. No, water of crystallization is there. So, this is also false. Fifth one, salts are generally liquid with low meltings and boiling points. No, this is also false. Okay students, so these are the true or false answer MCQ and FB. Please note down this. And the D is name the following. D that I am writing over here students, have you written this? D, that is question 4, name the following. So, in that first, substance containing an acid is called acidic substance. So, the first one will be acidic substance. Second, acids that occurs naturally in plants and animal materials are known as organic acids. Okay students. Third one, acids that have greater quantity of water than acid, that are dilute acid. Fourth one, that is substance that do not show a change in color in any of the indicator, that are neutral substance. Neutral substance. Okay students. And next one, that is fifth one, the reaction in which an acid reacts with base forms to salt, that is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay students. Sixth one, that is the water molecule present in solid crystal, that is water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Okay students, water of crystallization. And the last one, that is salts which have lost their water of crystallization are known as anhydrous. So, these are the answers of your question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay students, please note down the answers, and now we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, heat and temperature. Okay students, now we will start with chapter number 6, that is heat and temperature. Before we have just seen its introduction part. Okay students, let us first of all revise that part. Okay, have you wrote down the students' answers? So, starting with the chapter number 6, that is heat and temperature. So, first of all, what is temperature? I am reading that, which we have seen in the previous videos when I have just started its introduction part. Sometimes some things are hot and some things are cold. This is because a quantity called temperature. Temperature indicates the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place. Okay students, we have seen that measurement of temperature. So, measurement of temperature, that is the instrument which is used to measure temperature, is called thermometer. Just like we have different units to measure lengths such as inches, centimeters and meters, we have different units for measuring temperature. These are called temperature scales. The most commonly used temperature scales are Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. This we have seen in the previous video, in which I have just started this chapter and then after I have changed the chapter. Okay students, in very simple terms, to construct a temperature scale, to the two reference point temperature points are taken, such as the boiling points and of water and melting point of ice respectively. Okay students, then Celsius scale, this scale reference point difference from the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water. The difference between the points is divided into 100 divisions. Each division represents 1 degree Celsius as shown in the thermometer with Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, the two reference temperatures points are the melting points of ice and the boiling point of water. The difference between 2 points is divided into 180 divisions as shown in the Fahrenheit scale. Okay students, next, that is conversion formula, that we haven't seen that. So, the conversion formula, if we have to convert, first is from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, what is the formula? That is F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay students, and the another one, that is second one, from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then what we have to do? We have to make the subject of formula, that is C. So first of all this will go, then it will be in the minus F minus 32, and then after it is multiplied by 5 by 9, because why 9 by 5, why not? Because this side it will go, then denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay students, see here there is an example 1 given here for 15 degree Celsius, A that is 15 degree Celsius, and B that is 90 degree Celsius. So let us find its Fahrenheit. So for F is equal to, so F is equal to degree Celsius is 15 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 3s are 15, 9 3s are 18 plus 32. 8 plus 2 10, 1 over here 4, sorry 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So 50 Fahrenheit. 15 degree is equal to 50 Fahrenheit. Let us see 90 degree Celsius is equal to, F is equal to, C means 90 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So 18 into 9, what will be the answer? 8 9s are 72. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 7 16, that is 162 plus 32. Our answer is 3. 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 3 9, here 1. Okay students, 194 degree Fahrenheit. This is our answer. And see here example number 2, numerical number 2 is given. In that Fahrenheit is to be converted into Celsius. So that examples are A 95 and B 68. A 95 and B 68. So first of all calculating 95 into Celsius. So for that there is a formula, that is C is equal to 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit, that is 95 minus 32. Okay students, so 95 minus 32, first of all, that is 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 3 6, 63, 9 7s are 63. So 7 5s are 35 degree Celsius is our answer. Now doing the second one over here. So C is equal to 5 by 9, 68 minus 32. So 5 by 9 into 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 9 4s are 36. So 5 4s are 20 degree Celsius is our answer. Please note down this. If you want students, in textbook it is given only. And now moving towards our next topic, that is thermometers. So let us see types of thermometers. Okay students, in order to measure temperature, we use a substance which has a property that varies considerably with change in temperature. For example, in conventional thermometers, the expansion and the contraction of liquids such as mercury and alcohol is used for measuring temperature. Both mercury and alcohol thermometer have similar construction. They are both made up of a thin glass tube which is sealed at one end. The other end contains a small bulb which is filled with either mercury or alcohol within the glass tube. Mercury looks like a thin grey silvery lines and alcohol looks like a red line. The lines goes up or down as mercury alcohol expands and contracts. Depends on the thermometer of the bulb. Divisions are marked on the tube either in Celsius or Fahrenheit so that the temperature can be read directly. Both mercury and alcohol have the different advantages and disadvantages as thermometer liquids. See here, thermometers, types of thermometer. In the regular thermometer we have seen thermometer at our home. In that, if there is a grayish line, then it is mercury, and if it is reddish line, then it is the what it is? It is alcohol. Okay, students, it is alcohol. So what is to be done? That when the bulb is there, when it is heated up, it expands and go to a certain height, and there the arrow gives us temperature. What is our temperature? And see here the reading a thermometer. See here, in that laboratory thermometer are used in laboratories to measure temperature with high accuracy and over a large range of temperature, generally in the range of minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. They can be either mercury or alcohol thermometers. In clinic thermometers, what are clinic thermometers? Are used to measure body temperature. They are usually mercury thermometers. Okay, students, in the laboratory thermometers, the range is minus 10 degree to 110 degrees Celsius. In that, the mercury and alcohol, both temperatures liquids can be used, and in clinical thermometer only a mercury is used. Usually the mercury thermometer is used. Clinical thermometers are slightly different from the other thermometers. Within the glass tube of a clinic thermometer, there is a clink present near the bulb. This clink prevents the mercury in the tube from contracting and flow back into the bulb before the temperature is read. Another feature of clinical thermometer is that it has a little arrow and a indicator mark shows the normal body temperature with about 98 degrees 98.6 Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. Okay, students, we all know that nowadays due to corona, the temperature, measuring temperature the gun is done, and in that they just used to do it on our head or in the hand. Just they do and see the number. The number should be nearly about what? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. So when it is about this, then you don't have any symptoms of corona. Okay, students, we know that the temperature used to measure at the public place, and the temperature must be nearly about 98 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, students, then you don't have any symptoms of corona. Okay, students, moving further, digital thermometer. Nowadays digital thermometer, that thermometer gun I was just talking about it, that is digital thermometer. Nowadays digital thermometers are quietly frequently used in place of mercury thermometers to measure body temperature. These thermometers do not contain mercury or any other liquids. Instead, they have a thermistor. Current passing through a thermistor changes with change in temperature. Another small device inside this thermometer measures the current passing through the thermistor and sends the information to a liquid crystal display, which displays the temperature in digits. The figure below demonstrates how to use clinical thermometers to measure body. Okay, students, see here some of the things is given in the figure, so that you can measure the clinical thermometer to measure our body temperature. See here, then after, it is important to follow the precautions listed below while handling a clinical thermometer. We should wash the thermometer with antiseptic liquid before and after use. We should also be careful not to break the thermometer because mercury is a toxic substance. So, okay students, we should not break the thermometer. Why? It is just used for it is very toxic. Mercury is very toxic liquid. And then after, the new topic, that is heat, but this we will start in our next video. Now this is all for this video, and in next video we will see the heat, that what is it, you have to read it, that okay students. So you have to read page number 71, 72. Your homework is read page 71 and 72 in your homework. Okay students, this is your homework. Please note down this, and if you haven't write this, then you can also write this. Okay students, up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.